Here we have some simple data that we want to show as a pie chart. To do this, firstly highlight your data, along with the title headers and names. Now, select Insert from the top menu. You will now see a section called Charts. Click on the pie chart icon. This will bring up different pie chart layouts. Choose the 2D option, as shown. Your pie chart will now be added onto your sheet of data. You can change the colors and layouts by clicking on your chart and choosing the different options that appear to the right. I prefer my chart to not have a title, therefore I will remove this, like so. You can also remove this by clicking on the title in your chart, and then by pressing Delete on your keyboard, as shown. Let's undo our previous removal. Now click on the title, and press Delete. I also prefer my legend to be shown to the right of the chart. To do this, follow the screen as shown. I also like my charts to have no border. To remove this, right-click on the chart, and choose Format Chart Area. Now, choose Border, followed by No Line. There are other options in here that you may want to use. Take some time to play around with them. I prefer my chart to be level with my table of data. You can move and resize your chart, as shown here. Note that changing the figures will automatically change your chart. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson. If you would like to see more tips and tricks, then please check out my other videos.